Hello everybody, long time no chat, long time no see. To the lady in Canada with the most savagest daughters and some cool ass danger noodles. Hey Poutine! Okay, now that I did that, because I had to get that on my system. If you're a first time viewer, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you like, at least hopefully I entertain you somehow and you'll keep watching. And if you're a return viewer, hey, how are ya? Long time no see. Okay? Okay. So, this is my attempt at it. You know what? I forgot the fucking nose. Hold on, I gotta do a nose. I kept looking at myself like something is missing. What is it? Why do you look so off? It was the schnoz. It was definitely the freaking schnoz. But yeah, if you like it and you want to watch how I did it, which is not, it's not rocket science. But, oh look, pretend this is a balloon. Freaking love that. Well, I've been watching it since like the freaking 80s. I loved it. The new rendition is not funny. It's not scary. It's freaking hilarious. Okay, you're talking to somebody whose cousins used to torment her with horror movies, thus immunizing me, desensitizing me from fucking scary shit. I think it's hilarious. So, let's see how this looks with my hair down. What, girl? Am I professional? No. Do I have fun? Yes. If you don't like it, do I care? Not a fucking bit. So, hope you enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.
You pull me in, push me away.